Are you ready to leave the past behind and embrace the future? Today, I'm providing part 2 of your exclusive look into EXP World, where over 85,000 agents and staff worldwide engage in a vibrant 3D environment for everything from training and support to client meetings. So let's get to it. What's good? I'm Doug Smart, part of a team that did over $3.5 billion in sales last year, and I'm with EXP Realty and the Wolfpack sponsor team. When you partner with us, you'll get more value than anyone else in the real estate business is offering. Learn more at our website, smartagentalliance.com. If you missed our first video with key information about EXP World, you don't want to miss it. I'll link that video, hosted by Carrie Hill, at the end of this one. Let's get into EXP World and explore. Alright, so first up, agent support. EXP World is your one-stop shop for all of your questions and discovering new opportunities. Let's hit go to, then agent support, and explore. Explore the Infosphere. Beam into the Infosphere at EXP World, where you'll find a wealth of resources tailored for every aspect of your real estate career. Here you'll find EXP Luxury, EXP Commercial, and EXP's referral division. There's also onboarding, mentor program, icon status, EXP University, EXP Revenos, state-specific resources, and even a video on how to fill out your Join EXP Realty application. Most of what is in the Infosphere should be pretty self-explanatory. However, if you're not on top of all that EXP Realty has to offer, what is EXP Revenos? Revenos is EXP's engine to bring agents top quality referrals. The division provides training and certification, so you can be the agent awarded business that Revenos does all the work to get. For example, through Revenos, you gain corporate transferee clients, bank-owned property clients, iBuyer clients, and more. Moreover, Revenos keeps identifying new referral opportunities for agents. Speaking of referrals, once you have one or give one to another agent, EXP has a tool to safeguard and document your referral agreement. In fact, EXP's referral tool makes sending and managing referrals straightforward. The tool automatically populates agent details, identifies necessary e-signatures, and ensures all paperwork is handled efficiently from start to finish. It's super easy and quick. Let's get back to EXP World areas for agent support. Take Expert Care, for example. Here's your place to ask all of your onboarding or general EXP Realty questions. Expert Care is open 24/7, so you'll never need to wait to get your questions answered. Next, we have Transaction and Expert Care. Here's another EXP Realty area that is open 24/7. Here you get all of your transaction issues resolved. Staff members are ready to help agents with any issue, big or small. Next, explore accounting. This is where you'll head for your questions or issues with payables, commissions, 1099s, billing, revenue share, and stock questions. And if you don't know what revenue share is, be sure to check out our blog or YouTube video on that topic. It provides a game-changing source of income. So now let's get to the technical support. Worthy of a bit more in-depth information, you see EXP Realty is known throughout the industry as one of the most innovative technology brokerages. Our agents have access to some of the most powerful technologies in real estate. You'll want to know about our top technology tools that will help you successfully navigate EXP Realty and manage your business. But when you have a problem with our tech wonders, here's where you go. Tech support is open in EXP World from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in all time zones. Go to tech support for your issues with passport login, EXP Enterprise, Workplace, and more. Don't know what those are? Here are some short explanations. What is EXP Passport? EXP Passport is our single sign-on system. With your EXP Passport account, you can conveniently access many of the applications you typically use through a single, secure sign-on experience. What is EXP Enterprise? EXP Enterprise is your personal launchpad to your business. Here you'll have a dashboard to view your transactions and commissions. You'll have access to numerous helpful applications like SkySlope, where you'll easily handle deal paperwork, and EXP's Marketing Center, where you can quickly customize loads of useful marketing materials. Outside of EXP World, you're bound to spend most of your time in EXP Enterprise. What is Workplace? Workplace, made by Facebook, is an easy-to-use private collaboration platform just for EXP agents and staff. This is where we share best practices, keep up on our company news and events, share referrals, and more. It's also another place to ask a question. Just type your question in on the search bar. On to education opportunities in EXP World. There's a lot. In fact, EXP World is a goldmine in continuous learning, offering over 50 hours of live training every week. These sessions are led by staff brokers and EXP's top performing icon agents. The topics range widely, covering everything crucial to the industry. Access the calendar in the welcome area, choose what interests you, and use the link to teleport to the correct room. Once inside, there's always a method to zoom into the screen for easy viewing. Plus, all training is available on demand in case you can't make a session that interests you. Bottom line, whether you're tuning in from across the globe or from the comfort of your home, EXP World brings top-notch training right to your screen. Alright, so moving on, Agent Solutions provides just what you'd expect. Solutions to your agent needs. To get an overview, go to Solutions, then EXP Solutions Expo Hall, where you'll see a complete suite of industry-leading vendors, tools, and services that agents can use throughout their real estate journey and trust as an extension of their team. Let's look at some of those. What is kvCore? kvCore is the #1 ranked real estate agent platform that all EXP Realty agents get as part of their $85 monthly fee. kvCore is a powerful CRM that offers lead generation, a personal IDX website, lead to contact management, listing promotion, and more. Agents outside of EXP Realty pay up to $500 a month to get kvCore. What is Utility Connect? Utility Connect is a free, white glove concierge service for your clients who are moving. This will simplify their move and save time and money using Utility Connect's integrated platform to compare utility providers, get special offers, and connect your clients' essential home services all in one place. What is EXP Realty Healthcare? EXP Realty offers a healthcare option where agents save money and reduce risk. Clearwater Benefits offers several healthcare plan options to meet all of the agents' unique needs. Agents save an average of $10,000 a year on fixed medical costs and 80% on out-of-pocket costs with Clearwater. Plus, agents have access to one of the largest PPO networks in the country. What is EXP's Make It Rain? EXP's Making It Rain is a lead generation program for agents lacking time or expertise to leverage digital ad power. Making It Rain automates digital marketing programs for agents with products built to drive more ad results at a lower cost. Sophisticated advertising made simple. What is Curbio? Curbio is EXP Realty's solution for fast and reliable pre-listing home updates, like interior renovations, exterior improvements, and staging. No project is too big or too small. EXP agents get free same-day estimates. Best for agents, you hand over the project to be fully managed by Curbio. Best for your client, they get competitive pricing, sell their home faster, and for more, and pay nothing until their home sells. What is eCommission? eCommission is EXP Realty's solution to solve agent cash flow gaps between deals by giving you access to your real estate commissions before closing. From top producers to agents just starting out, cash flow ups and downs are common to almost everyone selling real estate, and eCommission has got your back. Other EXP agent solutions that you'll find in EXP World include Success Lending for great lending rates, Express Offers and Open Door for cash offers, Zenlist to view EXP exclusives, off-the-market properties, Property Management for your clients that need it, and Blended Sense, a media technology platform making top quality listing productions accessible and reliable for agents, and many more. Alright, so next we have EXP Commercial. Another place to visit in EXP World is EXP Commercial. While there's a commercial booth in the Infosphere, EXP Commercial's significance earns its dedicated space too. In EXP World, just hit the Go To and select Commercial to teleport straight there. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge or explore new opportunities in commercial real estate, this specialized area has everything you need to get started and thrive in the bustling commercial sector. Next, we have entertainment. In EXP World, you can flex your creative muscles by creating anything you envision within a frame. You'll set up your entertainment space using the same simple process we described for creating your office space. These versatile environments offer a unique way to host client appreciation events, picture guiding your clients through a virtual art gallery, or enjoying a live concert together. It's a fresh and engaging approach to bring people together, connect with clients, and enhance your professional relationships. Moving on, community vibes. Being a real estate agent can sometimes feel isolating. Enter EXP World. No need to get dressed or get in your car. Just hop online and chat up other agents who are just a click away. Just open your mic and start talking. EXP World is buzzing with agents and making connections. It's a real social mixer without awkward handshakes. Many EXP agents report that a quick conversation in EXP World led to a great partnership or a successful deal. This virtual world isn't just about the chats, It's a goldmine of networking and building real profitable connections. EXP World is our gateway to revolutionizing how we do business. By diving into its features, engaging with the environment, and leveraging the business advantages, you'll see firsthand how EXP World stands apart. Don't just take my word for it. Contact us and ask for your free pass. Just email us your full name and write EXP World Pass in the subject line. That's it. We'll get back to you with your exclusive pass. To learn more about EXP Realty and the Wolfpack, here's some more videos which should be showing up right about now. Thank you for watching and have a great one.